Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and if you didn't know earlier, I'm currently living in Ghana, and if you are in Ghana, you know that avocado is in season now. This is why we bring you this simple avocado salad recipe so you can try at home. So if you are interested, stay tuned and let's get right into it. This salad is very simple and easy to make, and as always, all ingredients used will be in the description below, so do well to check it out. So we started off by washing our lettuce nicely with water and vinegar, and then we drained the water off it as much as possible. We then shredded it and added it to our mixing bowl. Went ahead and added our avocado. We diced ours. You can cut your avocado however you want, and we layered it nicely on top of our lettuce. We then went ahead and added some sliced onions. Guys, before we move on, let me quickly apologize for how I sound. My nostrils are blocked and I have a very terrible cold, which is making me find it difficult to breathe. This is why I sound this way, okay? So forgive me. Let's move on. We added diced cucumbers. On this channel, you all know presentation is a thing for us, so we layered our vegetables however we want. And we also added some cherry tomatoes. We used both red and yellow cherry tomatoes as we think it elevates our color. It gives our salad a pop of color as all our ingredients look green. You get it? And then we also added more cucumbers, and finally we topped it with some cooked eggs. The eggs are totally optional, but if you're a sweet tooth like me, you can add the boiled eggs. Finally, our salad dressing for today is honey mustard dressing. So if you want the honey mustard dressing, please check out our previous video, or if you haven't seen it yet, it's linked up here. Just click and watch, okay? This dressing with the salad tasted so good. My family really loved it. Everybody enjoyed it. So I hope you also try this at home. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and comment. We'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.